Hi, Dad often said, if you're going to do something, do it right or don't do it at all. And this has to do with boosting your search engine optimization with a varied backlink portfolio. Sir, you can build backlinks, but are you doing it the right way? If you're an SEO specialist, a content creator wanting to boost your online presence, then take a look at this content. In this episode, we're talking about different types of backlinks, effective strategies for building a diverse backlink profile, and by the end, you're going to have actionable steps to enhance your backlink strategy and stay ahead of the competitive SEO landscape. Wouldn't that be nice? Well, introducing backlink strategies is taken the form of this Google document that I got right over here, and it's going to be shared to the theguyrcookreport.podbean.com, as well as you can find it where you listen to podcasts at Practical Digital Strategies, and it'll be on YouTube. And the link for the share is scroll down this Google document. Close to the bottom, there's the logo for Practical Digital Strategies. And right next to that is the share link. Send a friend. Okay? And looking at this document, the importance of a diverse backlink portfolio for SEO, it's going to improve your search engine rankings. You're going to have the best of the rest. Okay? You're going to get a lot more referral traffic by having good backlinks, and it's going to strengthen your domain authority. The domain authority is kind of a gray area in some minds, and I like to look at it in terms of how few errors you have in your content rather than what your domain authority is or isn't going to be. Now, if you go into the Google document that talks about the types of backlinks and taking a look at quality versus quantity. If you have a lot of quality links, you're going to get a lot of high authority sites linking back to you. That's going to perform a lot better than having 50 low quality sites linking back to you. The link farms and paid links, don't do them. They're not going to work for you. So take a look at this Google document. I'm not going to read the rest of it. You can look at how lengthy it is in terms of content. There are 7 pages involved in that totally. And I want to thank you for taking time out of your day. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this video, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more valuable content and let us know in the comments below your own related experiences. It's a wrap.